So why did I buy this? Well, let's unbox it and find out. So this comes in silver and black, and obviously the silver is definitely the one to get here. Yes, it comes in two sizes, the 43 and 47 millimeter. This is the 47 millimeter. It's made out of stainless steel, and it's a little heavier, and it's about 25% heavier than the Watch 5 Pro here. It has a 40-hour battery life, same sensors as the Watch 5, same sapphire crystal covering the display here, same water resistance, same amount of storage, slightly more RAM, slightly faster processor. But what are the improvements that I'm most excited about? Well, look at the screen. It's the largest Samsung screen yet. It's 1.5 inches, which is great. The rotating bezel is back. Look at this. This is so awesome. The clicks, it feels great. Let's turn this around. One push on this, you can take the band out and you can put a new one in there. And this is not a proprietary strap. Any 20 millimeter strap will fit on this. And this is Samsung's brightest screen ever, 2000 nits, which is twice as bright as last year's model. And it just looks really cool.